Stay close! We move together! Follow the lights. They might be trying to help. Look! The mural shows him with the crystal. We've got this. Together. Whoa! It is huge! But it does not look mean.
Easy.
Easy. We don't want to hurt you. Careful. Don't hit him too hard. Watch your step. Keep moving. Not like that. We need another way. Hold on, Bao.
I've gotcha.
Stay inside the light. We're safe together. We're safe together.
Steady, Bao.
Follow me, Bao. Stick to the shadows.
Watch the tail swipe. Jump now.
Got it. Got it.
Let's guide it gently.
Time for a little trick. We move together. Stay sharp. Hold steady. We can manage this.
You've got this.
Almost there. Catch me if you can.
Steady. You've got this.
Hold strong. I've got your back.
You can do it.
It's not attacking us. It's hurting.
It's not angry. It's trapped.
See? It's in pain, not anger.
The crystal. It is causing the pain.
That is it. The crystal is hurting it.
Yes. The crystal is the source of its distress.
It's hurting. It's not attacking us. It's trapped.
Got it.
Yes, Bao. That's it.
That's it. Gently now.
Steady.
You can do it, Bao.
Together, Bao.
Yes, harmonize together.
Hold steady.
It's working. We did it! We did it!
Peace has returned.
It's safe. The mountain is safe again. It's working.
Look, everything's fixing itself.
The mountain remembers its true shape.
Did?
Did we wake them?
Whoa! They're waking up.
The guardians. They returned to us.
They're real.
They're huge, but they don't feel scary. Guardian spirits of the first winter, we welcome your return. It's answering them. Bao, I've got your back. Stay steady.
Let balance be restored. We did it! Bao! That was incredible.
The mountain breathes freely once more. We did it! Together!
We really did it, Bao!
Thanks to you both, our kingdom shines again.